Why do we need to make sure that the rescue boat engine is always in good condition? Weekly test on rescue boat engine is a simple but very important task to carry out. It is a safety concern since the rescue boat is needed during search and rescue operation. In the event of an emergency, a reliable rescue boat will help save lives of casualty in distress. Cleaning and maintenance involves checking for hull structure, washing with fresh water, corrosion check, and engine test. To start, pump fuel into the system. Adjust feed to minimum. Pull starter string to crank the engine. Don't forget to attach emergency stop cord. It is an interlock for starting the engine. Upon startup, check that cooling water flows into the outlet stream. Test forward and reverse functions. Failure to demonstrate seaworthiness and emergency-ready condition may result in the ship being off hired or failure to secure necessary safety certificates. Pull emergency stop to halt the engine. Common startup trouble, hard starting due to spark plugs. Clean spark plugs with fine cloth and sandpaper.